I love this lock so much. It's like my mother root lock. It's so long and thick. Hi Loc Lovers, it's me, Natty Ann, showing you how to enjoy the journey. So we're gonna do some 2 strand twists today, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I get it done. I'm gonna be rocking these twists for a while, so I'm so excited to finish it off with you guys. I'm definitely keeping it simple today with the product, so I'll be using castor oil to retwist my roots and also coat a little bit of the hair. And then rubber bands, black rubber bands, because that'll match my hair, just to keep my 2 strand twists intact at the ends. All right. So, for the sake of creating this video for you guys, I did not do the hairline portion of my head. I wanted to leave that to show y'all how I do this. I literally had the back twisted like this for about 2 days, and I left this front until I was gonna do this video. So I actually separated my hair, and I did, like, you know, just like a little mock twist, so I know that these 2 are the ones that I'm gonna be twisting together. And look at it, already trying to marry. So I'm gonna put a little bit of castor oil on the back of my hand right here. And I'm gonna put it on the root of my hair. Now the thing about castor oil is that it's pretty thick, so I like it. I like to use castor oil sometimes instead of Loc Gel. And it's not gonna last as long as Loc Gel, obviously, because it's not as sticky, but it'll do the job for me. And the reason why I'm using castor oil instead of Loc Gel is because I don't really want to deal with extra products in my hair right now. I'm going through this little scalp thing, and I'm trying to minimize the number of products that I'm using in my hair. But obviously for you, you can use what you want to use. Go ahead and use your Loc Gel if you want to get a nice sleek retwist. Me, I'm not really worried about, you know, my locks being sleeked down and totally perfected. I just want it to be twisted. And then if it chooses to unravel by itself, that's just what it is. I am not making a big fuss. So I'm twisting my hair clockwise, right? And I want you to watch this closely. My hair was twisted clockwise, right, to the right. And what I'm gonna do is cross it the opposite way and then twist it the opposite way. And as I'm twisting down, I'm twirling my fingers, still in the clockwise way, while I twist these 2 in the opposite direction. And I really hope that I'm explaining that or articulating that well enough for you guys so you can understand what I'm doing. Now I do want to warn you, be careful about how tight you're twisting it, because you don't want to pull on your hair too tight to where you're gonna have problems or you're gonna cause any pain. And I'm gonna twist it all the way down. Sometimes my locks are even enough to where both of them would stop at the same length, and sometimes one will be shorter. So if that's the case, I'll put the rubber band right at the shorter one. So I'm gonna grab this rubber band, then I'm gonna wipe it around in the oil just to get the rubber band a little bit slick. Sometimes rubber bands can be harsh on your hair and it can make your hair pop. So I just like to put some oil in it just to make it slippery. Okay, so that's one. So remember when I told you, right? You want to twist your hair whichever way you normally twist it. I twist mine counterclockwise, and then when I twist both of them, I want to do it in the opposite direction. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when I twist my hair, you know, let's say clockwise or to the right, and then I end up crossing it to the right and twisting it to the right. I'm going to show you how it looks, and I'm going to show you the difference. So let me go ahead and do that. Look at these two. They're pretty much the same length. So I'm going to go ahead. Hold on a second. I want to get a comb because this is my hairline. I like to do straight parts. Straight enough. Okay. So, okay. Clockwise, right? Take this other one. Okay. So with this set, I twisted this direction, and then I'm going to also take these two, cross it in the same direction, and twist it down. And I want you guys to see if there's a difference to you. I want you to see for yourself. This is really important. I had to learn this the hard way about 2-strand twists when I tried to do it in the past, you know, for the first time. All right. Take a look at these two locks. Both of them are 2-strand twists. Which one looks more like a rope to you? Which one can you see the definition better? I think this one. So that's how I feel about that. Look at it. It almost looks like one lock. Like I could barely see the rope definition. I could see it more in this one, and I think that's because once I retwisted it in one direction and then I crossed it in the other and tied it around each other, it just gives more of a rope illusion. This one almost looks blended. And the twist is basically coming out. The retwist. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and twist that back. Okay. I'm gonna cross it in the opposite direction. And I'm gonna twirl my fingers while I'm doing this. Look at that. You could just see the twisted definition way better, in my opinion. It looks like a rope. You can see that, you know, there's two locks twisted together. I'm going to rub the rubber band around in the oil and then place it on the ends. It's really nice to do this when you have freshly washed hair. I did the back of my hair and it was freshly washed 2 days ago. Look at that. Look how thick this one is getting. Ooh, be careful, don't twist too tight. Give yourself a headache. Sometimes I get so focused and I'm like making sure that it's nice and snug and almost do it too tight sometimes. And these two are perfect together. Look, they end at the same place too. Almost done, guys. I decided to do my hair in 2 strand twists just to do something different. I haven't got them in a while. And truth be told, when it's like this, it's kind of easier to style. Ow, I just slapped myself. But it's kind of easier to style. And it looks like I put a little extra effort into it, which I did, because twisting all these does take effort. Okay, so I've got a couple more on this side to do. I love that I sectioned it off before I started filming because it's making it so much easier. I just love how my hair is looking. It's already looking so cozy and lived in. You know, it's not like super duper perfect and like every strand of hair is in place, but no, it looks done. It looks healthy. It looks lived in, you know what I mean? It looks effortless. That's really what it is. You know when you like freshly get your hair braided and then it just looks so like scalpy and just exposed and it's just too perfect? I don't really like that. I like when my hair looks cozy and effortless. Maybe like day 3 hair or something, you know? And you feel comfortable, like all right, I've been rocking it for a while. I'm used to it. Y'all know what I mean, right? Scalp is already starting to flake. Look at this. This big ass piece of scalp right there. Get this out. So annoying. You know when you get to the point where you're like, all right, I just want to be done now. That's where I am because I've been doing my hair for about 3 days now, taking breaks and strategizing how I'm gonna film this process. So I am getting so close to the finish line. Got a couple left. Gonna be done and enjoy the hair. Enjoy my hair being done, being styled. Wow. It's done. Wow. 2 strands.